students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that how many right angles do you make if you start facing, in the part A, we are given that if you start facing south and turn clockwise direction. We know that right angles look somewhat like this. So if we found a figure which is equivalent or as it is to this figure, so we can say that this is a right angle triangle. Sorry, this is a right angle. And we know that, let's move the directions. This is north, east, south and west. This is one right angle from north to east or east to north. This is second right angle from east to south or from south to east. This is another right angle from south to west or west to south. And this is another from west to north or north to west, which means, look, this covers a one complete revolution. So from here we can say that one revolution is equals to 4 right angles. One revolution is equals to 4 right angle. The thing which I want to convey here is, if we got to know that how much part of the circle covered, so we can easily tell that how many right angles it made. So look here in the part A, it starts from south and turn clockwise to west. So this is north, south, west and east. It is given that it starts from south and turn clockwise. This is clockwise direction. Clockwise, and this from here is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. It is given that it starts from south and turn towards west in clockwise direction. So from here it moves from south to west. It is clearly visible that it covers 1/4 of revolution, and we know that one revolution is equals to 4 right angles. One revolution is equals to 4 right angles. So we can say that 1/4 of this revolution is equals to 4 divided by 4, that is equals to 1 right angle. So from here we can say that when it moves from south to west in clockwise direction, it will cover 1 right angle. So this is the answer to the first part of this question. In the part B, we are given that it is at north and turn anti-clockwise towards east. So this is our directions are drawn in this way: north, east, south and west. South and west. We know that if something turns in clockwise direction, then it will move in such way, and if it is anti-clockwise, so it will move in this direction. This is anti. It is given that it is at north and turn anti-clockwise to east, which it is moving anti-clockwise, which means it will move in this way. So from north to east, when it moves anti-clockwise direction, it will cover 3/4 of this revolution. And we know that one revolution is equals to 4 right angles. 4 right angles. So 3/4 of this revolution become equals to 3 divided by the 4 multiplied by the 4 right angle. That from here 4 to 4 cancel, we are left with 3. So from here we can say that when it moves from north and anti-clockwise to east, it will cover 3 right angles, or it will make 3 right angles. So 3 right angle is the answer to the part B of this question. In the part C, we are given that it is at west and turn to west. Here in this part we are not specified through which direction it will move. This is north, west, south and east. So let's start first with the clockwise. When we start clockwise, it is at west and will turn to west. From west to west, it will cover 1 revolution, and we know that 1 revolution is equals to 4 right angles. And if we use anti-clockwise, since we are not specified, basically when we have moved one complete revolution, it doesn't matter whether we are moving clockwise or anti-clockwise, because we will be at the position from where we started. So it is at west. If it move in anti-clockwise direction, it will again comes to west. So we can say that it completed 1 revolution, and 1 revolution is equals to 4 right angles. So we can say that it covered 4 right angles. So this is the answer to the part C of this question. In the part D, we are given that it is at south and turn to north. We are again not specified about the direction. Let's make this is north, east, south and west. It is given that it is at south and turn to north. If we are considering about the clockwise, so from south to north it covers 1 divided by 2 of the revolution, and we know that 1 divided by it covered 1 divided by 2 of the revolution, and we know that 1 revolution is equals to the 4 right angles. So 1 divided by the 2 of the revolution is equals to 4 multiplied by the 1 divided by 2, that will be equals to the 2 right angles. This is through clockwise. Again, if we move anti-clockwise, this is north, east, south and this is west. From south to north in anti-clockwise, again it will cover half of this revolution. So in this case again, it doesn't matter whether we move from clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, the answer is that half revolution, and half revolution covers 2 right angles. So from here we can say that 2 right angles is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of directions and shapes. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.